address whatever was not, what you guys weren't able to understand when we did an inverse proportion. And if not, then we can move on with class itself. Next up, what we have is one small unit, which is your, oops, wait just a moment, which is your unitary method. Now, unitary method is usually it's similar to your inverse and direct proportion. Now, what happens is that, let's just say that if I am um, going through with your unitary method, what is going to be the case is that simply what we, for example, if there is a relation already given to you, and how is the relation given to you? I'll start this off with a question. So let's look at a question in which it says that, um, how many feet or how many meters are there in 6 feet? And that is the question that is asked to you. Now, this question is given to you, but one thing is what you guys can say is that one thing is there. That is, for questions which involve you solving through unitary method, they're already going to give you some sort of a relationship already that is going to be provided to you. How you're going to do that is that they're going to be what you may call, he's going to give you the relationship. Like, for example, he may say that 1 foot is equal to, or he can say that 1 meter is equal to how many feet? We can say that, So, wait, for example, so 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. You need to find out the number of meters in 6 feet. Now, instead of going through all the hassle of first identifying whether it is inverse proportion or whether it is direct proportion, I can simply um, do it like this, that I can write meters over here. And I can, why am I writing the wrong spellings of meters though? Yeah, I think these are the right spellings of meters. I don't know. So meters, and you write them with feet. So what's going to happen is that first you can write down your relationship, which is what? 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. And at the same time, you can simply say that how many meters are x, and you need to find the number of meters in 6 feet. Again, this part is probably the most simplest of them all. You multiply cross. So it's cross multiplication. And what is going to be the case is that it's going to be 3.28x is equal to 6. You do your revision and your further simplification, and that is going to give you x is equal to, could someone be so kind enough to calculate an answer for this? Otherwise, I'll have to. So,
1.83.
sorry, Zoya, could you repeat that?
1.83.
1.83. Well done, Zoya. Yes, so it's 1.83 meters. So whoever among us is 6 foot tall, he can simply say that, he is also 1.83 meters tall as well. Is this clear? Anything that you guys do not understand? This is probably by far, the easiest part of this. This is probably the easiest. All right. So this is just very, very simple. How you're going to solve using your unitary method. Any issues from anyone at all? I'm not trying to go deeper into this because this is too easy. Yeah, I think that is the case. Yes, anyone who does not understand this, please let me know. All right, hopefully this is clear. Okay, now we're done with proportions as well. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to continue on with something different now, which is